Tips for school administrators to motivate their teachers. In this series of short tips, we would love to help administrators to learn how to support their teacher and help them to excel. Tip 1. What keeps teachers motivated? Keeping the teachers motivated can be a challenge, especially in those difficult times we all are facing now, but it is an essential part of the students' overall success. Great teachers are those that are motivated to excel and take pride in their students' success both inside and outside the classroom. The school's administrator's role cannot be overestimated here. Teachers are hungry for inspiration. They are committed to their work and see the value in it, but it can still be draining. They want leaders who will refill their bucket. So our next tip, how administrators can help to get this done.